Right? High-end stores like Gucci, Versace, Tory Burch broken into and looted. Police believe the destruction is a result of organized anarchists.
I cannot believe what I'm looking at. I don't know if there are officers inside the store trying to apprehend.
Hundreds of cars and hundreds of looters went in. They broke down that front metal gate there, and they went in, took out TVs,